This is a final video to fix Steam error code 101 on Windows 11. Are you tired of seeing this error every time you try to launch Steam? This problem usually happens because Windows blocks Steam from connecting properly or some files get corrupted. Many tutorials on YouTube or social media make it look very complicated, with long steps that are hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that works fast and easily. You don't need to change a lot of settings or install extra programs. This trick can get Steam running smoothly in just a few clicks. If you want to make a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I'll show you exactly how to fix it from start to finish. Don't waste hours on other methods. This is the easiest way to solve Steam error 101 on Windows 11 with Rexist.